Bird's Eye View by 6th grader Aaron Schwartz. I had just moved from Detroit, Michigan to Littleton, Colorado. I chose the bedroom in my new house with the birds on the wall. I love birds. I got all of the boxes out of the moving van. My mother came in and told me to go to bed. I turned off the lights, said good night, and laid down. After she was gone, I got back up. I grabbed my marker. I go to church every day except Monday, so I know a lot. There was a space on the wall where a bird would have been. I drew Noah's Ark there instead. God sent Noah a message that there was going to be a storm. He and his brothers built a big ark to hold two of each kind of animal. The storm went on for 40 days. After, Noah sent out a dove to find dry land. It came back. The next day, he sent it out again. It returned with a leaf in its beak, meaning success. I drew the leaf on a bird next to it. I didn't realize before that I was such a good artist. I heard footsteps coming down the hall. I ran and jumped in my bed and pretended to snore. It was just my mom checking up on me. A slight peeling sound woke me up in the morning. I noticed it was the bird that I drew the leaf on that was making the noise. It was annoying. So I put the pillow on my head to tune it out. I heard whistling through the pillow. I opened my eyes. I blinked my eyes. I thought I was imagining it. The bird I drew the leaf on was flying. The bird had a cute little saddle with a doll riding. I touched it. I was surrounded by dust. I did not know what was going on. I closed my eyes to shut out the dust. I could still feel dust for 5 minutes. I finally opened my eyes. I was riding the bird. We were out the window in no time at all. I had a perfect bird's eye view of the world. The end. Thank you for watching.